Hi guys, I'm Arthur and today we're going to be changing the drive oil on our JCB 8014 CTS. Firstly, I'm going to crack the top nut and take that out. I've sprayed a bit of WD-40 on to loosen the nuts. I'll place take that out. Now I'm going to do the bottom one. So now I'm going to loosen the bottom one. And take this out of the breaker bar and put a little tub underneath to catch all the oil. So now we just wait and let it drain out. I'll be back in a minute, just when it's drained. Welcome back guys. So now we're going to put the bottom drain plug back in as it's finished emptying itself. And tighten that back up. Now we're going to fill it with this oil, gear oil, just to under the 500ml mark. But I'll get back to you in a minute because this might take a while. Okay guys, we've filled it back up with the gear oil, and as you can see it just rims, and every time you fill it up even more it'll just run out. So now we're going to put the top plug back in. And make sure that's tight. There you go. So yeah, thank you for watching guys. That's how you change the gear oil on a JCB 8014 CTS. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you on the next one.